If strength, vitality, and peak performance matters to you, then you should take care of your T levels. Testosterone is key for men's health, and the good part is that you can make a difference to your T levels. And that's precisely what we are going to discuss here today and share some quick hacks to boost your T levels. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. Testosterone, known as the male hormone, is crucial for men's overall health and well-being. It is that elusive hormone that makes us manly men. It plays a vital role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and even contributes to our mood and energy levels. But did you know that testosterone levels can naturally decline as men age? That's right, and this decline can lead to various health issues. And that's why it's essential to be concerned about testosterone and take proactive steps to keep it at optimal levels. Low testosterone levels can result in reduced muscle mass, decreased libido, fatigue, and even impact mental clarity. And as men, it's vital to address this issue and not shy away from discussing it. Remember, it's completely natural and there are ways to combat it. And we have got some quick hacks to help you naturally boost your testosterone levels, starting with some power foods. Eating the right stuff can be like fueling up a rocket. No pun intended. Okay, so let's start with the leafy greens, spinach and kale. These leafy greens are rich in minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium plays a vital role in regulating testosterone levels, while zinc is involved in the synthesis of testosterone. So, including spinach and kale in your diet ensures you are getting a healthy dose of these testosterone-supporting minerals. Let's talk eggs. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses and one of the best sources of complete protein. The cholesterol in eggs has received a bad name for no fault of theirs. For your information, all hormones in the body are generated from cholesterol, and without cholesterol, your cells will not be able to maintain their shape. And lastly, your brain needs cholesterol as they're dense in it. So it's a no-brainer that testosterone needs cholesterol as a precursor. So don't shy away from the yolk. And that's where the cholesterol and many nutrients are concentrated, including your brain-boosting nutrient choline. Next are almonds. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, particularly monosaturated fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone synthesis, including testosterone production. So next time, snack on a handful of almonds to give your body a boost of these beneficial fats. The amazing tuna. Tuna is a fantastic source of vitamin D. And optimum levels of vitamin D is linked to high testosterone levels. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with decreased testosterone production, so incorporating tuna in your diet can be beneficial. But here is the catch. Tuna is high in mercury. So don't go overboard, but include it in your diet once or twice a week. The healthy avocado. Avocado is rich in monosaturated fats, which, as we mentioned earlier, support hormone synthesis. Additionally, avocados are loaded with nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. Remember, while these foods can be beneficial in supporting healthy testosterone levels, it's essential to maintain a well-rounded and balanced diet. So incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Though incorporating these testosterone-boosting foods into your diet can make a significant difference, but that's not all. Regular exercise, especially strength training, has been shown to increase testosterone levels. So, hit the gym and get those muscles pumping. Let's try to understand why it's strength training and why it's so awesome for boosting testosterone levels naturally. First off, let's clarify what do we mean by strength training. Well, it's a form of exercise where you work your muscles against resistance, and that could be lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even using your body weight for exercise like push-ups and squats. Now you must be wondering, how does lifting weights have got anything to do with testosterone? Well, let me break it down for you. When you engage in strength training, your muscles go through some cool changes. They get all fired up and work hard to adapt to the stress of the exercise. And guess what? This triggers your body to produce more testosterone. But here's the thing. You don't have to become a bodybuilder or lift crazy heavy weights to reap the benefits. Even moderate strength training can make a huge difference. So don't worry if you're just starting out or not aiming to be the next Hulk. Consistency is key here. When you hit the gym or start your home workout, focus on compound exercises. And these are movements that work multiple muscle groups at the same time. Some awesome examples include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Compound exercises stimulate a bunch of muscles all at once, which means more testosterone boosting goodness. So start slow, find exercises you enjoy, and gradually increase the intensity as you build strength. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll notice not only improvements in your physical strength, but also in your testosterone levels and overall well-being. Besides diet and exercise, getting enough sleep and managing stress is essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. So prioritize self-care and ensure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Remember guys, it's never too early or too late to start caring about your testosterone levels. I hope you have found this information valuable and it inspires you to take charge of your health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy and keep those testosterone levels up. Bye for now.